Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be taking a look at how you can remove watermark from any picture. So let's get started, let's get into it. So first, all you need to do is to go on Google and type watermarkremover.com. Once you're done, you will see a landing page like this, like watermark remover. This is the official page. So you will see a official page over here. So all you need to do is to click on upload image over here and just simply go to your pictures. Let me just click over that, like over that. Just open that one over here, and if you want, it will take a little time. It's gonna be processing time, and there you go. And in this first picture, you will see there is a watermark on the top left corner. On the right side, you will see this is basically it's remove the watermark, but it also remove the number of words over there. So we're gonna edit that image, but this is how you can remove the watermark from any image. Just simply go on watermarkmover.com, and once you will see you're gonna upload that image. And once you edit that image, once you customize that image, you will simply download that one over here. You will see the options. So this is how you can remove the watermark from any picture. So if you like that video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I will catch you in the next video. Thank you.